What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm a little excited because, as you can tell by the title, we're talking about all things denim. Now, of course, you can wear denim all year round, but today I'm just going to show you how to incorporate those pieces to the spring, different outfits, all kind of stuff. So I'm not going to ramble too much. Let's just get into it. First up, basic white tee. You cannot go wrong with denim and your basic white t-shirt. I decided to pair it with a pair of brown sandals with a brown belt and a brown bag. Super easy. Now, you do not have to pair it with the brown. You can pair it with red, blue, leopard. It does not matter. And a lot of times what I'll do is throw on a denim shirt on top of that. It just makes the look a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more laid back. Now, next up to the white tee is the black tee. Another super easy way to style. All I did was just throw on a black belt, some cute black sandals, and a black bag. Now, if you want to take it to the next level, you can just throw on a sweater. Perfect if it's chilly, just throw it over your shoulder. It easily upgrades your look. Now, to take it up another notch, you can just throw on a blazer. I think a blazer is like the best way to upgrade a look. Just throw it on and it just chef's kiss. Up next is probably my most favorite way, denim on denim. Like, you cannot go wrong. Here I decided to wear it with this gray denim shirt, which I'm not gonna lie, is my husband's shirt. I think the men's section has like the best denim shirts because they're a little bit baggy. You have a little bit more room. It's a little bit more convertible. So I would suggest going to the men's section before you go to the women's. Here you can see me pairing it with my black grayish denim jeans along with some cute sandals and a really cute bag. Really simple look, but yet so stylish. Up next is another denim on denim look. This is another men's shirt that I decided to pair with some wide leg jeans. Now, this is a super laid back look. I decided to just button one button on the shirt. Like I said, with these men's shirts, super convertible. You can wear them all sorts of ways. I just button one button, show a little skin in the middle, throw on some sneakers, and call it a day. This is a super casual, laid back look. And I know I've like promised y'all like a video on different ways to wear a button down shirt. It's coming soon. All right, next up, I'm gonna take those same wide leg jeans and pair it with this satin button down shirt. I think that this is a great way to dress up a pair of jeans is with a satin shirt. And satin shirts are like really in right now. Just throw on some heels and a bag and you're good to go. Now, if denim on denim is not your thing, you can always just pair your denim with a pair of slacks. Here I paired my oversized denim shirt with a pair of black slacks, a pair of cute sandals, and just throw on a crossbody bag. Now, this is a great idea if you want a super relaxed look. I'm super comfortable, I'm super laid back. I can just throw on some shades and go. This is probably one of my favorites. Next up is something that I like trying to fight forever, which is this damn denim skirt. Like, I tried to do it in the early 2000s or whenever the last time that this skirt came out and it just didn't work for me. So I think I got it right this time. I paired it with this white linen vest, along with a brown belt and some brown sandals and a brown bag. Super easy. I think it's super cute, super chic. Definitely falls in the trend of what's going on right now. Both pieces, both the vest and the skirt. So I think it works. I like it. Last but certainly not least, the denim jacket. Like, you can't go wrong with a denim jacket. Here I just decided to pair with a pair of straight leg pants and a white t-shirt, some really cute sneakers, and a really cute bag. I think a denim jacket is like another way to give your look just a little bit more character and to just give it like a little bit more style. All right, that is it. I actually went through that a lot faster than I thought. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Of course, I will link everything down at the bottom in the description box. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.